Handshake is a great way to find on-campus jobs, internships, and full-time jobs. And the way that you apply to those is with a resume and a cover letter. And you can upload those right into your document bin. In the upper right-hand corner, click on your picture, click on My Documents, and you're going to find your document bin where you're going to have resumes, cover letters, and any other items that the employers might be requesting when you apply for jobs. Today, we're going to focus on the resumes and the cover letters. If you want to add a new document, simply click on Add New Documents. You can put the document type here. Give it a name that is easily remembered or that's something you'll really understand just by looking at it. There's no limit to the amount of resumes and cover letters that you can add on here, so you don't want them to get mixed up. So make sure you pay attention to what you're naming it so that it's easy for you to keep track of that and remember. When you upload a resume to Handshake, it comes to us here in the Career Management Center for review. We are really looking for a resume that's going to be in the JSOM template, the JSOM resume template. And we're going to be looking for quality and just ensuring that all the best strategies are used on that resume so that it can really stand out to the jobs that you're applying to. So when you open up your document, you can see the document that you're going to be uploading here. This is just an example document. And if you scroll down, you're going to see any kind of notes that the Career Management Center is leaving for you. Now, if we go back into the document section and we notice that one resume has been approved. So what this means is that you uploaded the resume and within 24 business hours, it comes to us and gets reviewed. Once we give it the okay, at that point, status changes to approved, and then it goes to the employer that you applied for. Okay, so the job that you applied for, the employer can actually see it. If for some reason that changes need to be made, the CMC review it and will change the status to changes required. Now, you'll get a notification saying that the CMC has required some changes on the document that you uploaded. You go back into your document bin here and you click on the document itself, and you'll notice a little notification up here saying that the document was declined by the university. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you're going to see the information as to why we declined it and any changes that we suggest that you make. Very, very simple. Just upload a new document here and it'll actually overwrite this one, put it back into the queue for our review, and then if everything's good to go, we'll go ahead and click on approve so it doesn't mess up your job application. If, however, you want to just delete the document and start over, you do have that option as well. So in your document bins, the same way works for the cover letters. Go ahead and upload any cover letters that you feel would help you in your job search. We'll also show you under the video entitled How to Find Jobs and Internships here. You're also going to see another place where you can find an upload for resumes and cover letters and other documents that the employer might request that you upload when you are applying for jobs online through Handshake.